Where's where's orange purple? Where's orange purple? Where is that? Orange purple. It doesn't work. It doesn't fucking work. It doesn't fucking work. Just unfortunately, it's a wrong tea. Solve it! Solve it! Solve it! Solve it! Solve it! I just accidentally full screened OBS. To be fair, there was no progress. What? Dude. Dude. I progressed so fucking much. I love that I'm always getting like hidden behind this stupid area. That's way better. I made so much progress. I don't want to hear that. I don't want to hear that. My progress has been incredible so far.